Hi! In front of me is TCL for the SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen. This way you will turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu. Look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. If it's blue, that means that auto rotation is enabled. You can disable it by choosing the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!